the essential oil that fights anxiety, relieves arthritis pain and helps you sleep. Roman chamomile essential oil offers a fantastic set of benefits. For example, it has been used for centuries to help treat skin conditions, relieve digestive issues, reduce inflammation and more. It has natural antispasmodic, antimicrobial and antioxidant properties that work wonders as a part of natural health remedies. If you've never tried Roman chamomile essential oil, below are 8 reasons why you should. You likely have at least heard of chamomile. Furthermore, you probably know that it helps induce a state of relaxation. But what is Roman chamomile? It's actually not that different from other varieties of chamomile, such as German chamomile. In fact, there are numerous types of chamomile that are available today. However, the types that offer the best medicinal benefits are Roman and German. And one of the most prominent benefits each type has to offer is the ability to relieve anxiety. Roman chamomile essential oil health benefits. 1. Fights anxiety. You may have enjoyed a cup of chamomile tea after a long, hard day at work. It has likely helped you to unwind, too. That's because chamomile, as well as Roman chamomile essential oil, has mild sedative properties that can help calm nerves and reduce anxiety. The oil's fragrance travels to the brain when inhaled and serves as an emotional trigger to promote relaxation. To relieve anxiety and anxious feelings, or to simply induce relaxation, try adding a drop or 2 of the essential oil to your water or tea. Furthermore, you can add chamomile essential oil to a warm bath. You may also try diffusing the oil or sniffing it straight from the bottle to ease anxious feelings. 2. Relieves allergies. The antimicrobial and antioxidant properties of Roman chamomile oil have the ability to relieve swelling and congestion caused by allergies. Furthermore, applying the oil topically can also help heal skin irritations caused by food allergies. Mix a few drops with the carrier oil and apply to the affected area. Be sure to avoid use around the eyes. 3. Helps alleviate PMS symptoms. Roman chamomile essential oil is a natural antispasmodic. It can soothe menstrual cramps and body aches that are associated with PMS. Diffuse the oil at home to help boost mood and soothe PMS symptoms. You may also want to try using it in a warm bath. This will help relieve symptoms as well as induce a state of relaxation. When you're in pain, chances are you tense up, which can actually make pain worse. A relaxed body, however, is more likely to experience a decreased amount of pain intensity. Use Roman chamomile essential oil to help your body relax, and thereby reduce pain. 4. Cures insomnia. Studies have shown that Roman chamomile essential oil can help improve sleep. This occurs because Roman chamomile can reduce stress levels as well as balance hormones. Diffuse the oil in your bedroom to help fight insomnia and promote a better night's rest. If your diffuser allows, set it on a slow release, so you can reap the benefits throughout the night. Alternatively, use Roman chamomile essential oil in a bath right before bedtime. 5. Boosts skin health. Roman chamomile essential oil can help treat eczema, gout, poison ivy and other skin irritations. This is due to its anti-inflammatory properties. It promotes smooth, healthy skin by getting rid of bacteria. Apply a drop or 2 to a cotton ball, then dab onto affected area. With a smaller amount such as this, you may not need to dilute it with a carrier oil. For a general face wash, add a couple of drops to the face wash you already use. Alternatively, make your own face wash using the essential oil and pure Castile soap. 6. Promotes heart health. Roman chamomile essential oil contains high levels of flavonoids, which promote heart health. The flavonoids work to lower blood pressure and relax the heart, significantly reducing mortality from coronary heart disease. To promote heart health, add a drop or 2 of Roman chamomile essential oil to your tea. Drink 1 to 2 cups daily. 7. Supports digestive health. Roman chamomile oil is commonly used to help heal gastrointestinal conditions. For example, it can be used to treat or relieve gas, acid reflux, indigestion, diarrhea and nausea. All of this is thanks to the natural soothing properties of Roman chamomile. Add a couple of drops to your tea to help relieve digestive distress. 8. Helps relieve arthritis pain. Studies have shown that the flavonoids in Roman chamomile oil are able to penetrate into deeper layers of the skin. You can app the oil topically or add it to a warm bath to help treat rheumatoid arthritis symptoms throughout the body. For best results, mix with a carrier oil prior to topical application. If you use it in the bath, and your pain is accompanied by swelling or inflammation, be sure to follow up by icing the affected area. This is because while a warm bath may feel good and will help relieve pain, the heat can also make swelling worse. You don't have to forego a relaxing bath, however. Just be sure to use an ice treatment for a duration of at least 20 minutes after you've taken your bath. Roman chamomile side effects to consider. If taken internally in large quantities, Roman chamomile essential oil can cause vomiting. If you are allergic to ragweed, marigolds or daisies, you should avoid using this essential oil, as a similar allergic reaction may occur. Furthermore, if you are pregnant or breastfeeding, do not use chamomile essential oil. Chamomile tea and other herbal teas have shown to be harmful to unborn fetuses. For external use, be sure to dilute the essential oil with a carrier oil. Examples of this include coconut and jojoba. Diluting essential oils for topical application helps cut down on possible irritation of the skin. If this is your first time using Roman chamomile essential oil externally, test a small area before applying liberally. Discontinue use if any allergic or otherwise adverse reaction occurs.